In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo gallery on Google Sites fast and easy with this beginner-friendly tutorial. We'll break down this simple process step by step, so even if you're new to Google Sites, you'll be able to follow along and showcase your images in no time. Let's get started by opening Google Sites. If you haven't already, simply navigate to the Google Sites homepage by typing sitesgoogle.com into your browser. You'll find a list of any sites you have access to. Click on the site where you'd like to add your photo gallery. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to create a new site and follow along. Once you're on your chosen site, the next step is to click on Insert from the right side menu. This will open up a list of elements you can add to your page. Here, you'll see an option for Gallery. Give it a click, and you'll be prompted to select a layout. Choose the gallery layout that best suits your style or theme. Google Sites offers several elegant options, each designed to make your images pop. With your gallery layout selected, you'll notice a plus icon within the gallery section. This is where the fun begins. Click on this plus icon to start adding images to your gallery. You can upload images directly from your computer, select them from Google Photos, or even fetch them from your Google Drive. Take your time selecting the images that best represent the moments you want to share. Adding a caption under each image is a great way to provide context, offer details, or simply add a personal touch to your gallery. To add a caption, click on the image, and you should see an option to input text. Keep your captions concise and engaging, ensuring they complement your visuals. Once you have your images and captions arranged to your liking, there's just one more step. When you're satisfied with how your gallery looks, it's time to make it visible to the world by clicking Publish in the upper right corner of the screen. This will finalize your changes and update the live version of your site. After you've published, you can share your beautifully curated photo gallery with friends, family, and the rest of your audience by providing them with the site's URL link. And there you have it. Your photo gallery is live and ready for visitors. Creating a photo gallery on Google Sites is a surprisingly quick process and is an excellent way to share memories, promote events, or enhance your website with visual storytelling. Thanks for tuning in to this beginner-friendly Google Sites tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.